In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop pre-loved on Walmart 2026. We'll walk through the exact path on the site and a few helpful tips so you can confidently find great secondhand fashion. Start by heading to the Walmart website. When the homepage loads, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the main navigation labeled Departments. Click that to open the full list of categories. From there, choose Clothing, Shoes, and Accessories. This takes you into the broader fashion section. Next, look for the Premium Fashion area and click it. Once you're on the Premium Fashion page, check the top menu bar for a tab labeled Pre-Loved and select it. That's the dedicated destination for secondhand and pre-owned styles. You're now in the right place to shop. Explore the page to see curated collections and new arrivals, or quickly narrow things down. You can shop by brand if you have a label in mind, or browse by category, like handbags, dresses, shoes, and more if you're still deciding. As you scroll, use the filters to set your size, preferred condition, price range, color, and other details. Filters help you zero in on pieces that fit and meet your expectations, especially with pre-loved items where availability can be limited. When something catches your eye, click the product to open its detail page. Move your cursor over the main photo to activate the zoom. Walmart's image viewer lets you get up close so you can inspect stitching, corners, hardware, and any visible wear. Cycle through all images to see the item from multiple angles, including the interior and any tags or serial markings when provided. Below the photos, read the key features and the full description carefully. Pay attention to the noted condition, measurements, materials, included accessories, and any disclosures about imperfections. This section sets expectations, which is especially important with pre-loved goods. It's also smart to review shipping details and the return policy listed on the page, since policies may vary by item or seller within Walmart's marketplace. If you want to keep browsing, use your browser's back button to return to the pre-loved hub and continue exploring brands and categories, or refine your filters further. That's the entire path. From the homepage, open departments, choose clothing, shoes, and accessories, go to Premium Fashion, and then click the Pre-Loved tab to shop. With that, you're ready to discover quality pieces at great prices while shopping more sustainably. Enjoy the hunt, take your time with the zoom and key features, and happy thrifting on Walmart.